In this tutorial, we will review how to find your data on the Precision Health Turbo environment. Depending on which Precision Health environment you're using, whether it's Yottabyte or ARMIS 2, we have already created how-to guides on logging into those environments, so follow those instructions found on the documentation website. For Yottabyte, once you're logged into the Yottabyte environment, which is a Windows environment, find the File Explorer on the bottom left of your screen. Click the File Explorer and look for the Data Direct folder. This will have your IRB approved TUME, and your data that you downloaded from Data Direct will be located in this folder. For questions or data access assistance, please email the Research Scientific Facilitators at phdatahelp@umich.edu.